Hi, it's Richard from Century Alarms and welcome to our how-to series. In this video, how to set the Wi-Fi on a Lightsys panel.
Okay, I'm going to take you through how to connect your Lightsys Plus panel to your router. So we hit the back arrow button, insert code, that's your user code, followed by the tick. Just tick again in activities, and we scroll down the down arrow until we see Wi-Fi. Tick to that. Down arrow once until we see Wi-Fi WPS button. Hit the tick to that. And it's asking us to press the WPS button on the router. So that's the pairing button. So if we hit that, great. So it says successfully connected. Now to get back to the normal unset position on the keypad, we just simply hit the back arrow button until it goes back to the time and date.